Hi, angels. Today's video, we have an unboxing video. We're going to be doing a Coach unboxing. So if you want to see what I picked up at Coach, recently I really did some damage at Coach. For the holiday season, I was there and I picked up several items. I was Christmas shopping for my family, as well as you guys. I mean, come on. We all do that. We know when we pick up items when we're Christmas shopping, sometimes we pick up items for other people and for our family members, and we have to go ahead and just toss an extra one in the cart for ourselves. So if you want to see what I picked up, go ahead, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. But for right now, I did want to talk about some stocking stuffers that I picked up at TJ Maxx. These make great stocking stuffers, especially for girls. If you need gifts for her, for your sister, your niece, just anybody. These lip glosses make such good stocking stuffers. So here they are right here. And I just love picking up the different Skittles, the Hershey's lip balms. These are so cute to toss in your bag, and they're very affordable. They're not too costly. And look at this. This one, these are the extra large Skittles, you guys. They're so huge, and they're just lip balms, and they're flavored lip balms, and you just go ahead and toss them in your bag. So I picked these up for, I'm going to be putting them in my sister's little stocking stuffers as well. And then I did pick up this one. It was Dr. Pepper. Now, I don't really like the taste of the drink, Dr. Pepper, but in the lip glosses, you see there's the 7-Up one, the root beer, the different ones right there. And the bottles are just so cute for lip gloss in your purse and in your cosmetics bag. So I did go ahead and pick this up. It's a Dr. Pepper flavored lip balm set. I did go ahead and pick this up for her as well. So she's going to really enjoy these little treats. I think so. I know I enjoy these as stocking stuffers. So I did go ahead and pick these up for stocking stuffers. The next thing that I wanted to do, you guys, was my bag reveal, a Coach bag. Now, I picked this beauty up for myself. I was shopping for my sister and some other family members at Coach, and I did go ahead and pick this up. So let's go ahead and see what I picked up for myself, you guys. Here it is right here. It's real easy to unbox and reveal. Here she is. So you guys know, if you watch my channel, you might have seen the video when I went ahead and did the gift wrapping for my sister of this cute little bag right here. It's the Coach North-South Mini Tote. How cute is this one? I'm a fan of rivets. I love rivets. I don't know what's so much about it that I love. I just love rivets. I like the gunmetal and rivets. So I had to pick up this beauty. Now, let me tell you guys, the strap for her is in here. So beautiful. I love the North-South totes. These totes are so popular. They're popular among Michael Kors. Michael Kors makes these lovely North-South totes, and they're so cute, and they're just so darling. They're like candy. They're like M&Ms. I'm just getting addicted to picking these up because they're so doggone cute. They make great crossbodies. So here's the lovely crossbody strap. Let me go ahead and attach the strap. And I have to say that when I picked up this lovely bag, like I said, I was shopping and I picked up several other bags with it that normally at the Coach store when I'm shopping, I notice if a bag has the tag or not. I normally always check my bags for tags before I leave, but I purchased several other bags with this bag. And I mean, I had one of those, you know, just like in Bath and Body and Victoria's Secrets, how they give you that big shopper bag and you just dump your stuff in there if you're buying several items, and then you go to the register with that big bag. So I had several Coach bags all in that big shopper black Coach mesh bag that they give you. And I went to the register and I didn't notice that this baby had lost its tag. So luckily I called. Now let me say, I did call the 800 number at first. And in the past, if something, you know, if I had a problem or if something went on sale, if I wanted a price adjustment, normally the 800 number was able to help me for Coach. This time around, I purchased so many bags and I was like, really? You all aren't going to assist me with one bag that didn't have a tag? but it was okay because I ended up just calling the store and speaking to the manager, and the manager remembered that I had made the purchases the day before, and she was like, oh no, of course, we'll send you a tag. So I was able, thankfully, they did have good customer service with the manager, and she sent me the tag for this lovely bag. So here it is right here. And she sent me a picture. She texted me a photo of the bag. She said, I have the style number, but I want to make sure it's the correct bag. But she still texted me a photo of the bag before she included the tag in the mail for me, because, you know, she wanted to make sure that it was the correct tag and that it matched properly. And then she sent me a bunch of these different little chains. I'm going to see which one. I don't know if I need this extra long one. I think I might just be able to use one of the regular ones. I'm going to see how it works out. But let me go ahead and attach my tag now, since I do have it. And I believe they go on this side of the bag. I'm going to take a look at the others that I have and make sure I'm putting the tag on the correct side. So for right now on camera with you guys, I'm just going to put it on this side. If I need to adjust it and change it to the correct side, I could always do that later. But for right now, I just want to go ahead and put it on there. So let me go ahead and get it on there. Okay, so we have it on there. How does it look? How does it look? Okay, this looks long to me. She did send a shorter one. I think it might need the shorter one for the mini tote. That looks like that goes for a regular Coach bag. You guys see how long that's hanging? That's hanging long, okay? I think it needs the shorter one. It's good that she sent me 3 different sizes. The long, the medium, and then this is the short. I'm gonna use the short one. I think it goes with the mini tote, because that's like for a regular handbag. It's super long. I don't think it's supposed to be that long on this particular bag. So let's move down. It's like the 3 little bears with who's sleeping in my bed. This one doesn't fit. This one was too big. This one's too little. This one's just right. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and see. This is probably for the mini totes, this smaller size right here. That's what I'm guessing. I'm so glad she sent more than one different size, because then that would have upset me again. I'd probably had to go into Coach or been on the phone again, and to explain to someone that it's the length of the chain, they probably would have thought I was crazy. So I probably would have had to go into the store. Yes, that's better. That's better, right? That's better. You see how it's not as long as this one was super long, you guys. That would have been too long for my mini tote. This is the perfect size, and I'm going to still compare it to the other mini tote that I have. So yeah, this beautiful color. Now, I think it's just plum. Oh, they did me dirty on this one, because I bought so many bags at that time. They did me dirty because I don't even have the name of the tag. I'm going to go ahead and insert the name of the color for us, you guys, for this bag. It looks like a wine plum color. That's one of my favorite colors for bags, like with color block and different bags. I love when I get a garnet color, like a garnet red or plum wine. I just love those colors. The raisin, the crimson colors for plum is so beautiful. Black cherry, just all those different colors of plum are so, so beautiful. So thank you, girls, for sticking it out with me for my unboxing and listening to my little story time. I love Coach. Overall, they give great customer service. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you girls in my next video. Bye. So you guys, I did come back. I just wanted you to see how this one looked across me. It's so cute. It's a cute little crossbody. The mini totes are so adorable. They're just so, so cute to wear crossbody. And for quick errands, they're going to be able to hold your phone, lipstick, keys. Just so, so cute. Thank you, girls. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.